As a homeowner in Crestview, Florida, you're likely aware of the importance of keeping your home comfortable year-round. Whether it's the scorching summer heat or the occasional cool winter nights, managing indoor temperatures efficiently is a key part of maintaining a comfortable living space and controlling utility costs. One often overlooked yet highly effective way to improve energy efficiency is window installation. Replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient windows can have a significant impact on your home's comfort, appearance, and overall energy consumption. Here's how proper window installation plays a vital role in improving energy efficiency in Crestview homes. Minimizing heat transfer with advanced insulation. One of the primary functions of windows is to provide insulation, and outdated windows often fail to keep up with this task. Older windows, especially single-pane glass, tend to allow heat to transfer easily from the outside in, or vice versa, making it harder for your heating and cooling systems to maintain a consistent temperature inside. When you opt for new window installation, you can choose energy-efficient windows that feature multi-pane glass, such as double or triple glazing. These windows are designed to significantly reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This is especially beneficial in Crestview, where summer temperatures can soar. By installing windows with improved insulation, you reduce the amount of heat entering your home during the hot summer months, allowing your air conditioning system to work less and reducing your cooling costs. Low-E coatings for better temperature regulation. Low emissivity. Low-E coatings are thin, invisible coatings applied to the glass of energy-efficient windows. These coatings help regulate the temperature inside your home by reflecting heat away during the summer and keeping it inside during the winter. Low-E glass also helps block ultraviolet (UV) rays, which can cause fading of furniture, carpets, and artwork. In Crestview, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly, Low-E coatings can provide excellent benefits. During the hot summer months, they prevent excessive heat gain, making it easier for your air conditioning to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Conversely, in winter, Low-E coatings help retain the warmth generated by your heating system, keeping your home cozy and reducing heating costs. Reducing air leaks with proper seals. One of the most common issues with older windows is the presence of gaps and cracks around the window frame. These air leaks allow conditioned air to escape and unconditioned air to enter your home, making it difficult to maintain a stable indoor temperature. As a result, your HVAC system works harder to compensate for these leaks, leading to higher energy bills. With new window installation, proper sealing and weather stripping are essential to improving energy efficiency. Modern windows are designed with tight-fitting seals that prevent air from escaping or entering around the window frame. By replacing old, drafty windows with properly sealed, energy-efficient windows, you can eliminate air leaks and reduce the burden on your heating and cooling systems. This contributes directly to energy savings and enhanced comfort in your Crestview home. Energy-efficient window materials. The materials used in your windows also play a significant role in their energy efficiency. Modern windows are often made from materials that are more energy efficient and durable than their older counterparts. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames are some of the best materials for preventing heat transfer and ensuring that your windows provide optimal insulation. Vinyl, for example, is a highly effective insulator and resistant to the elements. Unlike wood, which can expand and contract with temperature changes, vinyl maintains its shape and seals tightly around the window frame. Fiberglass frames offer even better insulation and are particularly ideal for homes in areas like Crestview, where humidity and temperature fluctuations can put stress on window materials. Choosing energy-efficient window materials ensures that your new windows perform optimally and last for many years. Lowering your energy bills. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient alternatives is one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make. By improving the insulation of your home, new window installation reduces the amount of energy your HVAC system uses, helping to lower your monthly energy bills. This is particularly true in Crestview, where the climate can require both cooling and heating throughout the year. Over time, the cost savings from reduced energy consumption can add up, making the initial investment in energy-efficient windows worthwhile. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows come with warranties that ensure you won't have to worry about performance issues for years, providing long-term value for your home. Increased home comfort. Energy-efficient windows not only help save money but also improve the comfort of your home. Older windows often lead to drafts, uneven temperatures, and uncomfortable living conditions. With new windows, you'll notice a more consistent indoor temperature, eliminating cold spots in the winter and reducing heat buildup in the summer. In Crestview, where humidity and heat can make the air feel stuffy and uncomfortable, energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor humidity and temperature. As a result, your home will feel more comfortable, and your family will be able to enjoy a more pleasant living environment year-round. Increasing home value. Installing new windows doesn't just improve your home's energy efficiency, it can also increase its resale value. Energy-efficient windows are a highly desirable feature for prospective buyers, as they offer both financial savings and improved comfort. In Crestview's competitive real estate market, homes with modern, energy-efficient features are more likely to stand out and attract buyers. By upgrading your windows, you're not only enhancing your living experience but also investing in your home's long-term value. Energy-efficient windows can make your home more attractive to buyers, helping you sell faster and at a higher price. Conclusion. New window installation plays a vital role in improving the energy efficiency of your Crestview home. By reducing heat transfer, eliminating air leaks, and utilizing energy-efficient materials, new windows help to regulate your home's temperature and reduce your energy consumption. This leads to lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and long-term savings. Additionally, energy-efficient windows increase your home's value, making them a smart investment for both your present living situation and future resale potential. If you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, new window installation is a wise and impactful choice.